What's good, YouTube? In today's video, as you guys saw in that very beginning clip, Scat Pack is not in the driveway. So let's talk all about it. With a guy out here that's local, he's near me. He has a, I think it's a 2017 or a 2018 Dodge Charger Daytona. It's in Go Mango Orange, and I met up with him. We were out there, man. We were kicking it, we were chopping it up, and then I started hearing this noise, and it sounded like that's not the exact sound, but as you know, that's the infamous Hemi tick. So I used to hear it from my car every now and then. I used to hear a little tick, but it was so faint, and by the time I paid attention to it, it went away. And we were out there talking. And man, that tick was so loud. Rodney, the guy that I met up with, Rodney looked over. He was like, bro, you got the Hemi tick? And I'm like, yep, that's it.
Got it!
I left there, came home, popped the hood, man, and when I looked at the corner of the gasket cover, I should say, there was a stain. There was an oil stain there. Like my car's it wasn't leaking oil, but it had an oil stain at the corner. My source, which is my brother, my brother is the beholder of all knowledge. So I called him, and he pretty much I sent him pictures, and he pretty much said it was the oil gasket cover was probably loose, and the oil was just seeping through. But took the car up to Commonwealth Dodge out in Louisville, Kentucky, and shouts out to Toby. Toby was one of the techs, and I showed him exactly what, the oil stain that was at the corner of the gasket cover. And probably, what was that appointment? That appointment was at 8:30 this morning, and Toby just called me. What time was it? It's 11 a.m. and pretty much told me, like, your lifters are on backwards.
What's going on here? Where am I? What the? Huh? What the hell's going on here?
Basically, when I told Toby about the tick, he kind of knew what it was already, because I already know. I've been hearing about the Hemi tick forever. So Toby called me and told me that the lifters were on backwards, and that I did in fact have a oil gasket cover leak. Man, I was trying to troubleshoot this thing even before I took it to Commonwealth Dodge. I hit up everybody, and shouts out to everybody, man. I can't even name all the people that I talked to about it, and by one that comes to mind is SRT Mush. I text SRT Mush, and I told him about the issue. I sent pictures, and he was like, man, you could probably tighten that thing down yourself, but wanna flex on the warranty just to see what was up. So and I was still covered under the warranty. Toby said that the car be ready by Monday, this coming Monday, and when I get the car back Monday, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, maybe I'll go ahead and put my wheels on. If you follow me on IG, you know that I've been showing little clips of the big old boxes that came to the house. Well, actually, I had to pick them up from FedEx, but yeah. So my wheels came in. Gave little clues to what kind of wheels they are. Some people already know, but they are Ferratas. I ended up going with Ferrata. Originally, I had a wheel sponsor, which was Black Diamond wheels, but the particular wheel that I wanted, they were on back order for the rears. That particular wheel I wanted was the BD11s, the silver BD11s, and I wanted 10-inch wide in the front, 11-inch wide in the rear, but for some odd reason, their rear wheels the 11 inches were on back order, and they were trying to get me to get the black ones. 20 by 10, 20 by 11, but I didn't want black. And they had bronze. And if y'all, whoever out there is watching the video, you know me, I always talked about the bronze wheels. I wanted the bronze wheels so bad, but it was matte bronze, and that wasn't a look I really wanted. I didn't want the matte bronze. So I I thought that I'll go ahead and put it out there. I watched. I had always followed USS Too Fast. He has a destroyer grade Daytona Charger out in Illinois, and I followed his channel forever since the beginning, and he had got black diamond wheels, and they were silver, and it was mean. It was a really good look. So USS Too Fast, you probably will never see this video, but if you follow USS Too Fast, you know what I'm talking about. He had those silver, I forgot what brand, which model they were, but those silver wheels on his car was nasty, man. But that's what put it in my head, like, okay, I think that's the route I'm gonna go. But black diamond wouldn't. It is no, shouts out to Gilbert for Black Diamond Wheels, man. He answered the phone every time I called, but at the end of the day, it was kind of like it's time. I wanted to get wheels, so since that couldn't happen, I didn't want to just settle for something just because they suggested it. You know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and just went with the original brand, like day one. If you guys know Evilist, I think it's Evil Scat or Evilist Scat. He's got that all black murdered out Charger Scat pack with the ever since I seen that video on YouTube with those Ferrata wheels, I've been a fan of Ferrata ever since. And that was a minute ago. That was before I even got my car. So and shouts out to him, because I sent him messages, man, just talking to him about the different styles of Ferrata wheels. So shouts out to Evilist Scat. I think I'm saying that right, but I'll put the link in the description. But anyway, sometime this upcoming week, I'll go ahead and install the wheels. I actually bought some ceramic spray. I wiped the wheels down with that ceramic spray last night, and right now I'm going to hit it with the ceramic boost from Adams Polishes. And if you haven't already, please head over to Adams Polishes to get the ceramic boost. I bought the small bottle that was 20 bucks 2 years ago when I first bought my car, and I still have some left. I got a quarter of the bottle left. It doesn't take that much, and it is awesome product. I need to just re-up and get some more. But anyway, that's pretty much all I got. Just giving you guys a status update as far as what's going on with my wheels. How come my car's in here and I'm in the boat. I'm in the Navy right now. You know what I mean? But you guys stay tuned. I do appreciate each and every last one of you guys that are my subscribers. Even if you don't subscribe and you check out the video, you sling a comment, you like the video, whatever, man, I appreciate you guys. I may do a giveaway, but that's going to be a little further along. I'll wait and do another giveaway a little bit later. I ain't gonna put my foot in my mouth right now. But all right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace.
When it comes to 1-year-old Dante, Pierre, you are the father.